Want to know the one skill that's on almost every IT job description? The skill that sysadmins, cloud engineers, and even cybersecurity pros swear by. It's not AWS, it's not Python, it's not even Excel, it's Linux. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you will know why Linux is a game changer and how it can supercharge your IT career. Before we get into what Linux is, let's talk about why it matters. Over 90% of world's cloud infrastructure runs on Linux. That means every web application, every cloud server you're using right now, or even this video might be running on a Linux-based server. Linux skills are required for 70% plus of high-paying DevOps and sysadmin roles. It means this one skill can definitely start your IT career. It's free, open source, and powers everything from smartphones to supercomputers. Now you might be wondering what's free and open source. Free is basically a software which a user can download free of cost. But when it comes to open source, you can modify every part of your system. That means you are the creator of your own system. Linux is open source, meaning you can view the source code, modify it, or also share it with others. And for tech-savvy guys, you can build it from scratch. So let us understand what is Linux in a layman's language. So basically, Linux is an open source operating system. It was created by Linus Torvalds in the year 1991. Linux is customizable. You can change everything from desktop themes, kernels, to even your entire OS. There is a Linux distribution for every user watching this video right now. For beginners, it can be Ubuntu or Linux Mint. For advanced users, it can be Arch Linux. And those who want to start their career as a system admin, it can be Red Hat or CentOS. Let's get started with the Linux architecture. So the Linux architecture consists of hardware, kernel, shell, and application layer. The hardware layer consists of CPU, memory, and storage. It is nothing but the resources of your machine. The second and the most important layer is the kernel layer. Linux isn't an operating system, it's a kernel. The kernel is a central component of an operating system. It manages hardware resources, and it is a bridge between hardware and software. It simply manages memory and CPU time. Up next is the shell. Shell is a program that takes user commands and passes them to the kernel. It's a medium for the user to interact with the kernel. The last layer is the application layer. They are nothing but the end user program. It is nothing but a software that performs specific tasks for the user, like your browser, games, or even your own scripts. Let's write our first script real quick. We'll go to the insert mode and we'll write a simple script to print hello YouTube. We will save the script. Now let's run the script. Tada! Unlike Windows, Linux is modular. You can strip it down to run on a Raspberry Pi or scale it up for a Fortune 500 server. Flexibility is its superpower. Let's compare Linux and Windows head to head. Linux is free and open source, whereas you have to pay for your Windows operating system. Linux comes with unlimited customizations from your kernel, UI and apps. But when it comes to Windows, nothing more than changing your wallpapers. Linux is lightweight. It revives your old hardware. But when it comes to Windows, it gets slower with every update. Linux is community driven. That means whatever problem you're facing with your system is already solved by someone. But when it comes to Windows, you have to wait for official Microsoft support. There are a lot of open source repos and CLI tools available for Linux. But for Windows, you have to rely only on mainstream apps. Imagine updating 100 servers with just one command. That's Linux efficiency. With Linux, you are the boss. Change the desktop, delete bloatware, or even build your own operating system. Try that with Windows.